Pork and Chinese preserved vegetables on vermicelli noodles. A main dish from China.
Serves
You will
8.
need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Shred pork. Step 2. Heat oil in wok, and stir-fry pork until no pink shows. Step 3. Add soy sauce and black pepper. Step 4. Cook for another 5 minutes, then keep warm. Step 5. Bring a pot of water to boil, then add noodles. Step 6. Put on kettle, about 3 to 4 cups. Step 7. When noodles are tender, drain and place in bowl. Step 8. Place pork and sesame oil on bed of noodles. Step 9. Pour boiling water from kettle over the pork to make a soup. Step 10. Serve, then eat with chopsticks and Chinese soup spoon. Serves, 2 hungry people or 4 with light appetites. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.